Hey guys, welcome back. Wolf Phone Repairs. We are replacing the screen on the Aspire A5, Acer Aspire 5, A515. And so always, as usual, take the bottom off, disconnect the battery. Always make sure to do that. And then we're going to remove the screen bezel and carefully use your pry tool, go around the perimeter, just gently prying off the clips. This screen probably has adhesive, I assume, because it's so thin. We will find out. Sometimes you have to flip it over like this to be able to disconnect these bottom clips. Otherwise, you can't access this bottom part. Okay, bezel comes off. And the adhesive tabs here, I'm sure there's no way you're going to see this, but there's a tiny little black strip here. It's actually up underneath the antenna. So you're going to have to use some tweezers to get to that strip. Try and pull it out. Definitely not easily accessible. Just want to be careful of the antenna. Don't damage it. Now, being that the screen itself is already broken, I'm not so worried about the screen. I'm actually just using my pry tool to get underneath here. Although this is not the easiest way. Trying to see if I can get a grip on this adhesive. Oh, I lost it. Not making it easy on this one. For sure. I'm just going to try some isopropyl alcohol here. Put this in there. Loosen up the adhesive. Yeah. You can see it stretching. Oh, come on. Stuff is insanely stretchy. Okay, so that's one done. Let's try to get the second one here. We'll just go with some more ice pro here. Start releasing it. Just yet. Starting to lift a little. This is actually remaining pretty intact. But the new adhesive. Okay, there we go. Okay, once the screen is released from the LCD back cover, of course, I'm going to disconnect the cable. Lift up on the sticky plastic tab, keeps the cable secure. That's good. And just gently pull back the cable. And that's the screen removed. And now we're going to take our new screen and I always test the screen first. Connect it. Cable back into place. Reconnect the battery here. Okay, so now we're going to test it. There you go. Screen powers on perfectly. That. Now we're going to put some new adhesive on here. Okay. You just got to gently press the screen down. Make sure all the antennas are back where they're supposed to be. Then you lean the screen down to access those bottom hinges. Snap that in place. And then just go around, gently snapping the bezel back on. So. Right. Good. And then put the bottom back on. There you go. Your screen. See you next time.